Hi, this is Mike Henriksen from Fluent 2013 in San Francisco. I'm here with Mike Amundsen. Mike, how you doing?
I'm doing great. How you doing, Mike?
I'm doing well. So, JavaScript and a conference all about JavaScript. What do you think?
I think it's great. I mean, this is a really great show. I actually just got done doing a talk on using JavaScript with Hypermedia. There's a lot of interest in new ways to do stuff. So I've really enjoyed this event because it's a chance for me. I spend most of my time in middleware and backend. It's a chance for me to spend some time in the front seat. So I'm really enjoying it a lot. It's a lot of good stuff here.
So the front seat, you're not in the Node camp.
Actually, I do a lot of Node. I actually do a lot of Node, and there's some great talks on Node here too. But I'm also very much trying to, spend time with the UI guys as well, the front end. That's what users see. That's what most people see ahead of time. So it's important.
Okay, so you've spent most of your time in the middleware, though, and now the front end. Yeah. So where does your new book, RESTful APIs?
Yeah, so this is a book that I'm doing with Leonard Richardson and Sam Ruby. They wrote the book RESTful Web Services in 2007, really kind of broke the idea of using REST as a pattern on the web in a really sort of organized way. So this is kind of a follow-up to that book. So Leonard and I worked together for a couple of years on spending more time with Hypermedia and more time focused on the client side rather than the server side. So most books about REST are about the servers, but once you have RESTful servers, you need really, really smart clients. So that was really the reason for this book, and that was the reason for the talk. So a lot of the things I talked about today on building Hypermedia clients is that it's not rocket science. You just need some patterns and some practice, and that's what a lot of this book is about.
So what would be a typical app that would come out of something like this?
Well, actually, a great place for this is in the mobile space. So one of the problems is we want to update our mobile apps a lot. So if we update them and we download them, we have to redistribute them, and we make all these changes, it's a real drain on the system, and it's really a drain on your battery and everything else. But if we're using a sort of a Hypermedia pattern where we can add new features and make minor changes without having to do any downloads, it's just there and it's available. It's a much more efficient, much better user experience, and we can actually get more change, more rapid change, which is what everybody really wants.
Okay, and what about gaming? Is that all on the server side? Like Brendan Ike showed today, this Unreal tournament in a web browser. Is that at all related here?
It's related a little bit. Setting up the game, you use a lot of Hypermedia, the dashboards, the registration, all that other stuff. But once you're in the game, you need you need that WebSockets, you need that real fast speed, and Hypermedia is not really good for that. So we still need it on on that outer side, but once you get into the game, I need that instant experience, and that's sockets. Yeah.
It was awesome, wasn't it?
It's fantastic. I remember playing Unreal Tournament years and years ago, and to see it running in the browser like that is just awesome. Yeah.
Good. So will we see you next year at Fluent?
Absolutely.
In March?
Yes, I plan on being here in March, so I'm really looking forward to it.
Excellent. Mike, thank you very much.
Thank you, Mike.